They have the experience.
They got gold watches for this event last year, and right now it looks like, I'm not sure who's leading off. Their weakest leg is leading off. Noah Lyles is second. He's running the longest leg. Malik Booth is third. They're in the red, white, and blue, lane 5. Let's see what they can do. Here we go. TC Williams, the red, white, and blue. They don't run relays except at Penn relays. Here we go. That's Noah Lyles with the baton.
Their leadoff leg looked really good.
Look at Noah Lyles rolling. Indoor national champions at 200. Hands him off. He had to slow down a little bit to hand it off. Malik Booth, TC Williams, Josephus Lyles, national outdoor champion in the 400. He is running anchor. The stick is off. Now it's off to the races.
Got to get to the line. Let's try to get in.
He has to roll through the line. He has to give it everything he has to beat this clock. Let's see what the time is on it. Let's wait. Woo! 41.71. There you